Hello student, as today is going to start the share portion bending moment simple problem, and previous class we have already discussed about the simple problem on the overhanging beams in the point load. Now today going to discuss about the also overhanging beams also, but the different loading conditions. In overhanging beams we know that if the beam simple supported beams and the hangings the extended part of the supported, that is called the overhang, that means overhanging beams. Let's see how can I solve this type of problem in overhanging beams when the loading conditions different, that means it is a UDL loads. Here you can see it is a simple problem on the overhanging beam. You can see that figure, and that this figure is a overhanging is supported and A and support and B. One is the roller support and the fixed support, and this portions this overhang portion. That means that here is the supported and that is support, but this portion is the overhang. That means length of the beam is equal to 6 meter. Then the overhanging part is the 2 meters, and the load intensity of load UDLs is 5 Newton per meters. Not a this one, but you have to consider 5 Newton per meters. Now, this type of simple supported, not simple supported with overhanging beams, simple supported but overhanging beams. So how can I draw the SFD and BMD diagram for this type of loading conditions? As we know that, and in the overhanging beams, we know that the total load of the beam carry in the two support. That means if we consider this point is the C point, to consider this is the C point, then we can easily write here the RA plus RB is equal to how much. If we take this one portion is RA and this one portion is the RB, then RA plus RB is equal to how much? If the 5 Newton per meter intensity of the load, then the length of the beam is equal to how much? The length of the beam is equal to 6 meter. That means 5 Newton per meter, that means 6 meter, that means 30 Newton load carry point A and the point B. That means whole load of the beam carry point A and B. That means RA plus RB is equal to 30 Newton. Now give it is a equation number 1. You can easily write the equation number 1. Now to solve, how can I find out the value of RA and RB? The two unknown value, but equation 1, it is does not find out the equation from this RA and RB, R1, RA plus RB value from this equation. So we need to take another equation to find out the value of RA and RB. So let's see how can I find out. Then if we take a moment about point A, then give another equation, then you can solve this problem, then find out the value of RA and RB. Now how can I take a moment about point A? So here we can write taking a moment about point A, about point A, not a small a, actually a capital A. Is a capital A. Is a capital A. So here we take a moment about point A. As you know that, how can I take a moment about point A? That means we take a moment from this one. That means RB into total distance is equal to how much? B into A is equal to 4. Equal to how much? Total load is equal to how much? Total load is equal to 30. So because of 30, why? Total UDL load is equal to 30. So we can take the load and take a distance. If UDL load acting on a beam, so take a distance middle of the beam. That means what is the middle of the beam? The middle of the beam is 3. Why 3? Because total UDL is the expand over the 6 meters. So half length 6 by 2 means 3. So 3 meter. That means 90. So RB is equal to how much? Then RB is equal to, you can easily write 90 by 4. So RB equal to how much? So you can easily find out value of the RB. So what is the value of RB? The 90 divided by 4. You can value the 22.5. 22.5. Then similar way we can find out the RB, but also if we putting the value of RB in equation number 1, then we can get the value of RA. So what is the value of RA? So RA equal to how much? 30. You can calculate, this is the 4 and this is UDL is equal to 5 into 30. Then so check it, the 30, then middle length by 6 means 3. 30 into 3, 90. Then okay. Then total load equal to 30. Then RA is equal to 30 minus 22.5. So 22.5. Then you can subtract 30 from 22.5. So what is the value? The value is 7. That means 6.5 Newton. So value of the RA is 6.5 Newton. Then so the here the this portion, that means reactions RA carry a 6.5 kilo 5 Newton loads and RB carry 22.5 kilo 5 Newton load. So all then find out the SF. For SF, for SF at different, we can find out the SF at different points. And SF at point, first of all, let's find out the SF at point C, B, and then A. SF at C is equal to how much? SF at C is equal to 0. Then find out the SF at B is equal to how much? Unit, all our units are force is equal to newtons. So B is equal to how much? This point. That means this portions is the extended part from the B. That means 2 meters. So what is the value of the intensity? Is equal to 10 because of 5 Newton per meter and the 2 meters. That means 10. So downward direction because of not a B actually, just before B, because of here two reactions load. This load also, this reactions also upward directions, and this the UDL also the downward direction. So you have to just take here just before B, not at B, it's just before, at something here just before B. It is very important, just before. Then find out the B, not at a B, just before B. This equal to how much? That means minus 10 Newton. After that, find out the at B. At B. Then you can easily show the diagram, the two forces acting at point B. One is UDL, another is the reactions in the upward directions. So minus 10, and what is the value of B? B already find out the 22.5. So plus 12.5 Newton at B. In similar way, we can find out the this point. Then UDL, then it is how much at point B, and UDL is equal to how much? This person already find out, and this person will 4. 4 is 20. Then it's 20 minus at point C. At point B is equal to positive. Then here for 20, that means 20 minus 12.5. So you can easily calculate the value of this one, 7. So 6.5, 7.5 actually. So here you can take a mistake something. So 7.5. Actually not a this one. This is a 7.5. Some mistake here. Because of our reactions RA and the reacts at point B at the similar value. So we can take here the 0.7, 7.5. So we've already find out that point C, at point C, not at C, actually A, at point A, then at point A. Then for BM diagram, for BM then for BM diagram, BM at C at any 0 point is no force, then BM at B not taken just before because of BM at any point. When you find out the BM at any point, and the standing here, if you standing this point B and find out the moment at point B, then equal to 0. That's why need not to take in just before B. If we will take, then it will become a 0. So just take the right hand side of these sections and find out the moment. So is 2 meters, that means 2 into 5, 10, and distance take from 1. So minus 10 and take distance 2 by 2 means half, that means 1. So that is minus 10 Newton into meter. Similar way, just when you take at point B, and here you can see that because of find out the moment, this point is also 0. So then you need to take a moment in the at point A. So we take a BM at A. It must be 0. When you calculated this, so you can get the value of this one. This UDL, that means how much? 20, 20 not 30, 30 into half. 30 into half means 30 into 3, 9 means 90, means 30 into 3, this UDL plus reaction load, how much? This 23.5 into how much distance? 4. Sorry, and this one is equal to how much? B is equal to how much? 22.5. So 22.5. Actually 22.5. So this become a 0. So we can already find out the BM at different point, then putting the value of, and let's draw the SFD and BMD. First of all, you draw the loaded beam. First we draw the loaded beam. So take the loaded beam here. Then so you can easily find out. We already find out so different for SF for BMs. Then find out the SFD and BMD. Now take care. So then putting the draw the line from different point, perpendicular line. So easily taken this one point line, another take a line from this point, again take a line from this point. And take a reference line from here. Then already we have already find out the SF at different point. Then SF at this equal to take a point C, SF point C is equal to 0. Then SF at B is equal to how much? We have already find out. So B is equal to minus 10. So according to our sign convention, so load is UDL. So we can just before I think is SF at just before B is equal to minus 10 and at B is equal to plus 12.5. So this load is UDL. That means you can take a straight line. You can take a straight line. So this way. And there is the value of how much? This is the value of minus 10 according to your scale. And also at point B is plus 12.5. So take a distance again upwards. So what is the value of this? This value is plus 12.5. Then at point C is equal to how much? We've already find out at point A, sorry, 7 point. So UDL load, no point load. So you can take a straight line this way. This is the 7. So draw the box. So this diagram is called the SFD and the BMD. SF. Then draw the BM diagram. So let's see how can draw the BM diagram. Again, take a reference line here, take a reference line here, and BMC is equal to 0, BMB is equal to negative. So C is equal to 0 and B is equal to negative. That means 0. So because of UDL, so you draw the curve line. Then this way. Is the curve portion. So here is the B.0, then B is UDL curve, and then point B is equal to how much? Minus 10 and C is equal to 0. So this is the diagram of the BM, and the portion is 0. So, and again we check this figure here, and this portion is BM is the negative also, and this also 0. Then the value of BM is the, here is the maximum because of sign change. as a diagram, the beam is maximum. This point beam is the maximum. So this way we can easily draw the SFT and beam diagram for the overhanging beam. I think you understand it is simple problem with the overhanging beam with the UDLs. More complicated problem you have solved like UDL with point load, combined loading conditions, two or more loading conditions, then you can better your concept more better clear when you solve more and more problems. So I think you understand, and thank you for watching this video.